So hi friend, this is Amit. As you all are doing JOSA counseling process, that is for 2024 to get your dream college or expected college, you can say. So tomorrow is the first allotment at 10 sharp am. They will provide you the allotment. Information हिंदी में जानने के लिए मेरे हिंदी चैनल एडमिशन एकेडमी पे जा सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है. First allotment at 10 sharp am. They will provide you the allotment in your login page as you were checking your mock allotment. Same process you need to do to check the allotment of first round. So here I will discuss two things. One is for those students who will get the seat, other for those students who will not get any type of seat. So first I will tell so that your time will not be wasted. If you will not get anything, you don't need to do anything because you can't change your choices. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need to take any decision because you haven't got the seat. So you just need to wait for the next round, that is next allotment on 27th. So that's it. Now I will discuss for those students who will get a seat. If you will get a seat, you need to do three things. If you are interested in the seat, finally you don't want to go for the next round, you will have to do freeze option. Otherwise you will have to do float option if you want to take this seat. But if you will get any other seat in next round, you are ready to leave this seat and you will get other seat. At that time you will not have the claim that you can get your previous seat back. You will have to leave that seat because up to that time previous seat will be given to another student and new seat will be given to you. If you will not get any new seat, that seat will be with you remain. That is, you will not lose the seat. At one time you will have only one seat. If you want to get the same college with better branch, then slide you need to do. So this is about the decision making. Next thing that you need to do is fee payment, seat acceptance fee payment. That is for SC ST category, that is reserve category 17.5 thousand, and for general category it is 35,000. So this is what you need to pay, and thereafter you need to do the document upload. So in that you need to provide a document upload, that is class 10 12th mark sheet. And in case of a state code of eligibility, please try to listen my words, otherwise you will be confused. For a state code of eligibility, you will have to provide the class 12 mark sheet again. That is 2 times you have to upload class 12 mark sheet and your category certificate in the required format, and your PWD certificate if you are from PWD. Then your UDID card and your PWD certificate both need to be merged and provide, or otherwise if you have made in JOSA format, you can upload, that also will work. And this thing, and also a bank passbook, they will ask you once you make the payment, that time to provide your refund if required later. So these are the things that you need to provide. And one that is very important, medical certificate that you can make with the help of any local doctor. There should be a tick in your fit option, that is there is two options, not fit for the courses, fit for the courses. So in fit for the courses you need to tick, that is doctor will tick and provide their stamp and everything signature that you need to upload. So this is what you need to do after getting the seat. So don't be panic after getting the seat, try to do this thing. If you miss any one of the three activity, your seat will be cancelled and you will be out of the counseling process. So be very careful. If you have any more doubt, that is simple doubts to ask with me about JOSA CSAB, you can register with a special course that I have designed for you only. Check the description box, you will get the link, and there once you register you can talk to me and ask your question as many times as you want. So this was the complete information that is regarding the JOSA seat allotment round 1. Thank you. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, VITSAT, COMEDK, EEEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So right on the screen you can check the detail in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending your details.